To the weather, and Tom, a few storms across the state today. How much has fallen?
Well, Lydia, most towns have received less than 10 millimetres so far. However, heavier rain is likely over northern New South Wales during the next couple of days. Let's start with the radar and the totals. Now, since 9 a.m, Wagga Wagga has collected 16 millimetres of rain. The heaviest rain right now is from a cluster of storms across the northwest of the state. Now, here is the storm forecast. The chance of thunderstorms overnight and tomorrow across the north and the east. And like today, a few severe storms are possible with damaging winds, hail and flash flooding. And the forecast rain. The heaviest falls tomorrow will be in the north. And for Christmas Eve, again, heavy rain is possible from storms across the north. Although note a slim band of thunderstorms down the ranges to the Victorian border. And for Christmas Day, thunderstorms for the northeast will continue. There's still the risk of the odd storm forming around the Blue Mountains during the afternoon. Now, for Sydney today, the minimum was below 15 for the 10th consecutive night. And as I reported yesterday, that's a summer record. For the first time in more than a week, we didn't have southerly winds today. However, it was still cool because the skies were mostly cloudy. The maximum was 23.5, still 2 below average. Campbelltown's 22 was 6 below average. Statewide minimums were cool on the coast but closer to average inland under a blanket of cloud. That cloud cover kept maximums as much as 10 below average on the southern ranges. Goulburn only reached 16 to the satellite. This mass of cloud is a developing tropical low that triggered a cyclone warning today west of Darwin. And there are storm clouds over Victoria, including this one, a supercell, which brought 40 millimetres of rain to Melbourne Airport in just 20 minutes. On the chart, this trough is the main trigger of storms and it's only moving gradually to the east. Around the country tomorrow, possible storm in Canberra and Hobart. Hot weather continues for Perth. For the northeast, a cloudy evening with a few showers and storms continuing tomorrow. For any individual location, it's around a 70 to 80% chance of seeing rain tomorrow. For the southeast, around a 60% chance of showers and storms for the inland, grading to just a 30% chance along the south coast. To the west, a high chance of showers and storms for the north and the central west, 50% chance for the southern slopes, but a dry day tomorrow for the southwest. On the waters, fresh northerly winds and seas will average around 2 metres. For Sydney, a warmer night with a few showers and storms. They'll ease early tomorrow, but still the slight risk of a storm returning through the day. Temperature range 17 to 27 for the city and back up to the low 30s in the outer west. The sun will rise at 5:41 a.m. And ahead, a partly cloudy Christmas Eve, just the slight risk of a storm and no change in the forecast for Christmas Day. 28 for the coast, 33 in the west, partly cloudy, slight chance of an afternoon storm in the outer west, and summer has returned. Warm weather next week. Lydia.
Thanks, Tom. And here's Laura Tingle with 7:30 looking back